Get into those curls. Those curls have so much realism to them. Y'all better come up here and get one of these. Baby, when I tell you this wig is giving life and realism, baby, you can't tell me this ain't my hair. You can't tell me this ain't mine.
Oh my, my mate. Eh, you made a permanent home in my head. You moving like a goddess, come my way, my way, my way. Your hips on the move, only a real one can do what you do. I caught a body, but you was the shooter. Damn. Shot me down one time. Now you wanna hug me down, long time. Funny how the love can change sometimes. So me say, hey, back up a bago. I'm pulling up on you. Let me show you my world. Oh. She told me that I make her feel alive. I can see the goodness in your eyes. We can take a trip, just you and I. You got it. Oh my, oh my.
Tu cuerpo sacude como un maraca. Te miro y miro, so sube y baja. Como en Caracas bailamos al ritmo del bajo y la caja. Y tú mi África, yo tu casino en América. Quiero bambino contigo, ma. Te beso bien suave en el limón, ma. Quiero con vino, limón, no sal. Tu cuerpo es un carnaval, yeah. Tus ojos trascendental y tu espíritu natural. Me enamora con besos en el final, yeah. De África al tropical, nuestro amor es transnacional. Lo que tenemos presidencial, aquí la vista se
told me that I make her feel alive. I can see the goodness in your eyes. We can take a trip, just you and I. You got it. Oh my, oh my. Oh my, oh my. Oh my, oh my. Oh my, oh my. Can't wait to show you off. Come out, I'm pulling up. Come out, I'm pulling up, yeah.
Oh ma, lo que tengo contigo, ma. Esto está fijo, ma.
She told me that I make her feel alive. I can see the goodness in your eyes. We can take a trip, just you and I. You got me, oh my, oh my. Oh my, oh my. She told me that I make her feel alive. I can see the goodness in your eyes. We can take a trip, just you and I. You got it. Oh my, oh my. Oh my, oh my. Oh my, oh my.
Every time when I look up for me, I get the look, come on look up for me. Every time when I look up for me, I get the look, come on look up for me. Every time when I look up for me, I get the look, come on look up for me. Every time when I look up for me, like you supply, all like tires. Looking so surprised, don't deny us. She telling me she want to be my lover, yeah. I love you when she want to be my lover, yeah. My little baby girl rise on me. My little baby girl ride on me. Maria, 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 ah. Every time you're looking out for me. Every time you're looking out for me. Love you, ah, yeah, love.
Everything go from Maria, yeah, yeah. Sensibility, ah, yeah, yeah, yeah. Pretty girl like a Maria, Maria, yeah, yeah. Every time we meet up, every time be like, oh, Maria, Maria.
Every time when I look up for me, I get the look, come on look up for me. Every time when I look up for me, I get the look, come on look up for me. Every time when I look up for me, I get the look, come on look up for me. Every time when I look up for me.
She no island girl, she from Kilimanjaro. From Kilimanjaro, Kiliman, oh. Nah, she no island girl, she from Kilimanjaro. She from Kilimanjaro, Kilimanjaro.
My little baby girl rise on me. My little baby girl ride on me. Maria, 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 ah. Every time you're looking out for me. Every time you're looking out for me. Love you, ah, yeah,
Everything go from Maria, yeah. Sensibility, ah, yeah, yeah. Pretty girl like a Maria, Maria, yeah, yeah. Every time we meet up, every time be like, oh, Maria, Maria. Ah, now you want to spend more time with me. Ah, do you want to be my wife, baby? I just want you in my life, baby. I like you, I like you, everything go from Maria, sensibility, ah, yeah, yeah. Pretty girl like a Maria, Maria, yeah. Every time we meet up, every time be like, oh, Maria, Maria.
Every time when I look up for me, I get the look, come on look up for me. Every time when I look up for me, I get the look, come on look up for me. Every time when I look up for me, I get the look, come on look up for me. Every time when I look up for me.
What is up, you guys? It is me, Tanisha, and I am back with another video. If you are new here, do not forget to like, subscribe, and comment. If you are not, welcome back. Make sure you have subscribed and comment down below anything you would like. Let's have a conversation. I love to interact with you guys. But today we are here to talk about this wig right here. Yes, this is a wig, and you cannot tell. This hair on my head is LUVME Hair's 4C Edge Realistic Afro Curly Kinky wig. This is a 13x4 wig, as you can see, and it is in the inch 24. You guys, this wig is super natural. I can't get over how natural this wig is looking. It is 100% human hair, and it is so soft. As far as the durable, I'll say, baby girl, you have to put in some work to get these curls to pop. But I have showed you the products that I have used in this video. I used my coconut curls in just a little bit of water, and these curls pop. So make sure you grab those products. What I can say about this wig is that when it comes to realism and it looking like your hair, baby, they got that one down pat. I didn't have to pull out any baby hairs because the edges were already there. when I opened the box, I will say, I ain't gonna hold y'all, I did trim the edges down a little bit because I felt like they were a little too long, but I didn't cut off much. I just went and did a little trim to get some of the little flyaways out of the way, and this is the outcome of it. You can't tell me this ain't my hair. You can't tell me this ain't my hair. As long as I got it on and I'm walking around, this is mine. Yep. Anybody asks and they say you got pretty hair, it's gonna be, thank you, girl. How long you been natural? About 4 years. I'm pulling that card with this. This wig can be dyed. It can be free parted. I will say on the sides, you get about from right here to right here parting, and then at the top you get from your front of your hairline to about this part of your hair. So those are things to think about when you want to style this wig. Overall, I'll say this hair is a 10 out of 10. The wig is so soft and it is so easy to manage once you can get through the brushing and all of that stuff. It's just, I can't put into words how much I love this wig right here because of the realism to our hair texture, and it's just everything. Like, you can't tell this ain't my hair. Like, you can't tell this ain't my hair. You can't tell me this ain't my hair. So, this wig is a 13 by 4. I have a 24-inch length in my head. The curls pop. The curls, it's soft. It has so much soft, even if someone touched it in public, because you know how some people like to do, and touch your hair and, oh, I like your hair, it's so pretty. They won't be able to know that it ain't yours unless you tell them. Also, I have a saying that, get into it. I have a saying that if you see my lace, you too close. But baby, you can get close up on her and you ain't gonna see nothing. That's how good the lace is to this wig. Yeah, I don't know what to tell y'all, but come up here and get one of these. I will take it down so you can see the length of it. So this is the length of this wig. With it being a 24-inch, again, it does have shrinkage just like our natural curly hair. So you will get shrinkage, but with shrinkage, it does have length. So it is really, really long, and it's a 24 inches, and it comes almost to my waist if I pull it down. But I would not plan on doing that because I like the way that the shrinkage looks. This is where it comes to after it has dried. This is where she is at when she has dried. Again, the edges to her are phenomenal. Like, you don't have to do no extra work to the edges. The only thing that I do wish that this wig had was a little bit more lace so that you can be a little more careful when you get ready to apply it, because you only get like that much to play with. So yeah, that's the only, I'll say that's the only con to this wig that I have. You can wear this wig glueless. I prefer mine to be glued down because she does have a little bit of weight on her because the density of this hair is so much. So my suggestion is that you do glue it down. I use my Almighty Bond lace glue. I use this because this does have a remover to it to make it easier to get off so that you don't ruin your lace to your wig. And with this lace, with it being so thin and so transparent, it is easy to ruin. So That is another thing. You can style her as you saw. I did pull her up, but if you want to do like a little half up, half down, or some little ponytails or something to it, you can do that as well. It does have enough playroom for you to do that. As far as plucking, I did pluck some. I was supposed to do it on camera, but I decided that I didn't want to pluck it on my head. I didn't do a lot of plucking because you honestly and truly do not need to do anything with this wig when you get it. As far as it being beginner friendly, I keep saying I'm sorry y'all. I'm trying to think. My brain and my mouth be trying to work together. But they be fighting sometimes. So y'all excuse my because I know a lot of y'all don't like and like in your videos. But anyway, so I soaked it in conditioner to make my curls look more realistic, because when you do pull it out the box, as you saw in the beginning, it does look a little scary, but don't be scared, because once she gets right, she's right, as you can see. So make sure you just brush her out a little bit. Brush her out a lot, not a little bit. I ain't gonna hold you. Brush all those curls that originally came in and out. Soak it, shampoo it, condition it. Let the conditioner sit on and do its thing for a little bit, and then rinse it out, and you're fine. You don't have anything to worry about with this wig. Like I said, this is a 10 out of 10 for me. This my hair, 10 out of 10. Make sure you go grab this wig. The link to this wig will be in my description box, as well as connecting with me. Make sure you connect with me on my Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and I do have a Twitter, but I don't be on there much because I don't know how to work it. Order this wig, and don't forget to use coupon code Tanisha. That gets you 23% off, maybe more, I'm not for sure, but you will get a huge discount off on your wig. And I'll see you guys in the next video.
Loving your smart girl. So